Now, if you're still using the legacy version of the account on Shopify here and you're wondering how to exactly customize that, well, there are a few things that you may need to understand here. Now, first things first, the customization options will only appear, or the customization for legacy accounts will only appear if you have it enabled. So, usually at the left side, you want to go click on settings, you want to go ahead and choose the customer accounts option here, and again, you just need to make sure legacy is enabled. But once you have that, you should now have the option to edit the legacy account page. Now, in here, you want to go just click on online store, click on teams, click on edit team. And from here, you want to go ahead and just click on homepage at the very top. And it should give you the option here that says legacy customer accounts and also like checkout and customer accounts. Now, if you're not aware, what's the difference here? Well, checkout and customer accounts, the legacy and customer accounts will not appear on the new version or the newer version of the account management for Shopify. But if you click one of them, it should give you the option to start managing it. Like for example, for the checkout here, it should give you the option to change like what's the color and what's the typography here and a lot more. Now you should also have the option. Let's go back here. We actually left our editor here. You should also have the option to start editing other pages that is available in your Shopify page. So just to give you an idea, you have your legacy customer account and you have all these pages. Like if you want to edit like your customer account, active account, or whatnot. So for example, I want to edit my customer login. So go and select that. In here, you should have the option to start adding sections or even like customizing like paddings in here. But it will be kind of limited in here because some sections are actually required, so you won't be able to remove them. And in here, you have your custom CSS if you want to add like further design, if you want to change the borders in here, change the text or whatever, add whatever you want in your existing CSS here, you can go and do that. But just to give you an idea as well, let's go and just choose legacy customer accounts again. Let's go and choose customer register. So if you want to edit or your registration page, if you want, add a section, add an image, like to make it more stylish. But typically, that's how you customize the classic customer account pages in Shopify. But that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.